Hi guys, welcome back. This is Nadine. Today we are going to tackle underneath my kitchen sink. If you are new here, in case you don't know, I recently moved into a townhouse, and when you move, you just try to get things in and you organize later. So I am taking you guys along the journey of me organizing every part of my house. Recently I put a video up on how I organize our linen closet. If you'd like to see that, I'll put it in the description box down below. Again, we are tackling the kitchen sink. Excuse me. So with enough said, let's just jump on in. So this is my kitchen, underneath my kitchen sink. As you can see, stuff is just thrown in there. I got garbage disposal in the middle, but at least the pipes are not too bad. So I usually shop my house, but today I actually got something. Hopefully this will work in here. So let's pull everything out, because that's the first thing you have to do, and let's get started.
Just one glass in, you're already on my mind. When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug.
Shop your house first, but I did not have anything that would fit the space the way I wanted it. I wanted to take advantage of the vertical space underneath my kitchen sink, so I got this 2-tier drawer system from Amazon. I will link it down below, but it made the space work so much better, as you will soon see.
I'm taking a mental picture in my mind just to keep this moment till the end of time, 'cause I know that it might be over after tonight. So before I change my mind, your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say,
This is what it looks like now, and as you can see on the left, that's where I was talking about. I want to take advantage of the vertical space, and this fit perfectly in here. So on here on the top, I have all my extra supplies of dish soap. I ordered the package instead of ordering bottles, so I have a couple of bags of these. And then in the back, let me see if I can get to the other side. I have Dawn's Power Wash extra bottles of those. And then down below, I keep my dish pods. See how it pulls out easily? I have my dish pods and my Mrs. Meyer's spray. These are things I grab every day. And then the back, I have extra sponges, my scrub daddy, scrub mommies, my finish rinse for my dishwasher, and I can just pull it out and push it in. As you can see, it kind of sticks for that, but it still works. I could have decanted everything, but I like this container, so I didn't take my pods out. But back here, I have extra gloves, more multi-surface sprays, and a multi-surface refill. And over here in the back, I have another can of my dish pods. And then I have my drying mats. Um, this is my washcloths, or I guess you can get cleaning cloths, and those are my cleaning cloths as well. So it came out good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day. Bye.